In today's class, again, for those who are there,
It's me, Nelson.
Nelson. So, Nelson, in today's class, I'm gonna be mainly training Adia, preparing her for the interview.
Yes.
I will be preparing you for the interview, okay? And we know this is gonna be your resume. This is the resume you're gonna submit, all right?
Yeah, that's the one I submitted.
Exactly. So this is the resume submitted, and after submitting the resume, for those of you, let me give you a quick overview. Again, for those of you who are just joining us for the first time, the way to join us, you just go on saftechcanada.com or saftechcanadacollege.com, then you click on join live class. And when you click on join live class, the Teams is gonna, when you click here, it's gonna give you two options: download Teams or just use Explorer. So, and here you can book an appointment, talk to me about anything. I mean anything. It could be about your finances, it could be business, it could be anything. So I'll also share a document later. Let me see where it is. I don't know where it is. These are the if use services. So these are pretty much the services I offer. You can call me anytime. It could be about, we have Safari Global Services. So visa, immigration, family and personal counseling, shared space if you want to work in Rwanda, Kenya, South Africa, and you want a place with a high-speed internet with VPN so you can work from Africa. If you want to go back home and you want to know how do I take my stuff back home, how do I ship them, we do that for you. If you want to visit in Africa, we give you the package. You go to Kenya, Uganda, and Rwanda, you sleep, and we pay once, and that's it. And if you want to do business also in Africa, you can consult us, and this will be about real estate and everything to do with that. So today, in today's class, we're going to be learning about resume mastering and also interview preparation. So mastering the interview preparations. And at this point right now, this is the resume that belongs to Aria, and Aria is expecting an interview soon. So we did research for the skills required on the market, and we did create a resume based on the skills required on the market because we know those skills will be paying better. And now we are ready to put those skills on market, because we've acquired them from Saftech Canada College. So from Saftech Canada College, every day you attend the class, you learn these skills, and once you get the skills, we help you get a job, and we make sure you get a job. So far, we have a group of 10 people, and so far, 7 people have the jobs already. And I'm sure Asaf, we are supposed to be celebrating your job, but Asaf couldn't get a time to attend the interview, and that was the case. And Aria, we are hoping Aria is going to get an interview soon. So I want to make sure she's prepared for it. So Aria, I'm Safari Agaba. I'm going to be your manager in this company that we're hiring you in. And Asaf is going to be asking you technical skills. I will be asking you technical skills as well. Anybody on the board is going to be asking you transferable skills. So like behavioral skills. Aria, could you tell us about yourself, please?
Thank you. My name is Alia. I'm a AI IT cloud support. I'm a bilingual AI IT cloud support with over 7 years of experience in technical support. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. That's very good. And did you say also AI? So you've already worked on AI?
Yes, with my previous job at Saftech Canada, I used AI in my previous job.
Did you do anything with AI, like designing and deploying?
Oh yes, I designed, deployed AI.
So the point area here, remember the list of the keywords? Asaf, you remember the keywords? The keywords means you want to make sure you present yourself to the boss in the best way possible. And the best way possible is to make sure you give in the tips. Like an example, you see your resume talks about AI. Not only that you know how to use ChatGPT, but you can design AI agents, which you've learned from Saftech Canada College. And you want to make sure we add it in your resume so it gives you an advantage. So this is how you sell yourself. When you're selling yourself, make sure you bring in the best product on the market. Today, the best product on the market is AI, then plus cloud computing, then plus general IT. So make sure you find a way to present. When they ask about you, this is the very time you should shine. This is the very time you put all your skills there in the shortest possible way. Don't make it too boring. Too long is too boring. That's why you write down the keynotes. You say, I'm gonna talk about myself, about what I've acquired in education, my experience, maybe my background. You put down all those lists. Do you remember that we talked about that yesterday? Do you remember that?
Yes.
That good. What are your keywords?
My
Are you gonna
keywords
be? Mm-hmm.
my keywords it's AI,
Mm-hmm.
it's a cloud,
Mm-hmm.
it's bilingual.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I remember.
So the keywords are the things you want to present on the market. They're the things they're going to impress them to hire you. You don't want to rag around talking about mom and pop and everything when they're going to get, when they're going to feel you're like ignoring the question. The point is make sure you market the product on the table so well. So that's why you write down your keywords. Asaf, what are your keywords? Like what are your global market skill sets keywords? Alia, you forgot Office 65. It's also a key one.
Oh yes, Office 65, because you told us that it's the one they use.
And if you want to scare them a little bit, you can talk about Python. You've studied Python from the class. I don't mean like being a
We
super
started
genius.
Python.
You didn't attend, did you didn't you haven't studied Python in a class?
I studied
Yeah.
Python.
Yeah, the basics you have, that means if you want to do the scripting or something, that becomes easier. Asaf, I'm sure if I tell you write a script to open a page, you should be able to do that because we did this in the class. And now you have the scripting, you have the AI, but there's also another keyword there, project management, because when they hear somebody has some project management skills, it sends a message in their mind that you are very skilled, you are organized. And even more to that, remember at Saftech Canada, you were working as a team lead.
Team lead
Yeah,
can be like can it be like project management?
so let's say the resume. You said what's in your resume. What's not in your resume, don't talk about it. SGS is where you were a team lead. So it's perfect. So and before you are project IT, overseeing the projects, making sure, let's say, if we're talking about the project, let's say they say today we've decided the project and every office is going to have one computer, one printer. Your job is to make sure one computer, one printer is in each office. And if the project says every computer should have the internet, your job is to make sure every computer gets the internet. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's you to do the configuration. If you're a project manager or project coordinator, you just coordinate. You make sure things are working according to the project. And that's how you present them on the board twice in a week, which we call status meetings. In status meetings, you meet your bosses, the stakeholders, and you talk about the status of the project. And the status can be in 4 categories, like a ticket. Tell me 4 categories of a ticket. A ticket is either closed, completed. What's other options? Asaf, what's other features? I know Asaf is driving. Nelson, what does other features that a project or a ticket has? Yesterday we talked about
The
service
the
now.
the, the ticket the ticket has to have the ticket number, the date,
ticket. Okay.
the due date,
Okay.
and status. If it's
And the
pending,
status.
yeah.
Good. Perfect. Perfect. So the same things applies to the project because the project will have a start and end time. Okay. And a project will have a status, which means it's pending because of this and this and this, or it's in progress because they are working on it, or it's completed, or it's closed.
Yeah.
Do you guys understand?
Yes.
So let's go back to your resume. So now tell us about yourself. Keywords. Remember the keywords. Tell us about yourself. Alia, tell us about yourself. We are waiting. You are in an interview.
Oh, I was muted. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. So tell us about yourself.
My name is Alia Umuhoza. I'm a bilingual AI IT cloud support with over 5 years of experience in customer and technical support. Thank you.
That was fast, and I think you've undersold yourself. What about the keywords?
Okay.
That's our point. Start, make sure you make it short, clear, and you use the keywords because those keywords are the ones that are going to sell you on the market.
Okay,
start again.
Let me restart. Hello, my name is Alia Umuhoza. I'm a bilingual AI IT cloud support with over 5 years of experience in customer and IT technical support, cloud platform, and AI tools. How is that?
What did you say at the last sentence? AI.
I said and AI tools. I said cloud platform, technical support, and AI tools.
Then what about you add okay, start again.
There is my name is Alia Umuhoza. I'm a bilingual AI IT cloud support with over 7 years of experience in customer technical support, cloud platform, and AI tools.
So don't put a full stop. We're gonna add some more stuff. In AI tools, Office 365, where I use Teams and Office, OneDrive. So whatever pops when you open a folder, go inside a little bit. So Office 365, and I have also Python experience under project management. So you see? So now break it down for us.
Python. Okay.
So you can to make it easy, you can say
yes.
with 7 years experience working with, then you can name them one by one.
Okay.
And when you're naming one, just go a little bit deeper, like AI. You can say not only that I use AI ChatGPT, but I've also created, designed, and deployed AI agents and trained them. So you're trying to market yourself. You want to impress them so they can say, "Oh, she's really good. We need somebody like this on the team." Who want to try again? Put the keywords and now try.
Who want to try?
Yeah, try.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Nelson Mazi, and I'm a bilingual IT support with 7 years of experience at Saftech Canada. I'm more experienced in project management tools. I'm more experienced in using AI. I've trained, integrate, and an AI agent into our website. Thank you.
What do you think about yourself? How did it sound? Did it sound so good?
Like 6/10, 6/7.
Okay, let's try again. So the key point is you are trying to say it. Tell us your key points first. What are your key points?
I know how to use Office 365 and know how to use Python and more experienced in managing a project by using different tools of project management.
Okay. One second. So now, Alia, try again. Because when somebody is talking, the other person is making up the idea. Alia, tell us about yourself.
My name is hello. My name is my name is Alia Muhosa. I'm a bilingual AI IT cloud support with more than 5 years experience working with cloud platform, AI tools, IT technical support, project management, and Office 365.
Good.
Where I used Office 365, where I used to create and manage online training.
Online training, there's Teams, which is there's OneDrive. So
Yeah.
you see, you're trying to sound there. Now you're sounding like somebody they really need to hire. Don't you think?
Okay. Yes, yeah.
Okay, now you have to make it smooth because you are shaking a little bit. So make it fun, make it easy, and make it smooth.
Yes.
Try now.
Hi, my name is Alia Muhoza. I'm AI IT cloud support with 7 years of experience in customer and IT technical support, cloud platform, and AI tools, where I created and deployed AI agent in Saftech Canada, and I have experience with Python and Office 365, where I used Teams and OneDrive to coordinate. Yeah, things.
So now, what did you feel at the last point? You got lost.
I think at the last point I lost.
So you'll imagine. So you need to know where to put the full stop. Let me try for you. Hello, my name is Safari Agaba. I'm a technical support. So it depends the position, because the position can be technical support. That's why if you're talking about this, like Asaf, you don't have to say the same word with Ali, right? Because yours is different. So now I'm going to start. Hello, my name is Safari Agaba. I'm a AI IT support specialist. I've been working in customer support and IT support for more than 6 years, and I've worked in Office 65. I've done a little of scripting. I've deployed and designed and trained the agents on at my my previous work, and I'm looking further to have an opportunity to work with you. Something like that. You need to have a nice ending. Show the interest, because this is what you're trying to do right now. You are building what we call the first impression. If the first impression is good, the rest is going to be easy. They're going to be simple questions, because they already know who you are and they already know if they should like you or not like you. Because the first impression is the major part of the interview. So anyways, and when you're always sound easy, relaxed, and you sound like a good guy, like be a good guy, not necessarily sound like be a good guy, be a good team player. Hello, my name is Safari. I'm a AI IT support. I've been AI IT support, especially in customer service and IT for more than 6 years now. I've worked on different services like Office 65, helping users on different issues about the computer. Maybe they forgot their passwords. Maybe their computer applications is not working. I've been dealing with different users from all over the world pretty much. And I'm here to have an opportunity with you. What do you think about that? I've just said what they want me, what they expect from me. That's what they are looking for, the person who's going to be working with different people, bringing in different skill sets, confident, happy, and showing that he's interested to do this job. Not this person who's depressed and just trying to get any job out there. Try again. Again, don't use my word, use your own word, but remember the keywords, because those keywords are the ones that are going to train you. They're going to sell you. So you're pitching right now. Okay? Try again.
Okay. Hello, my name is Alia Muhoza. I'm a bilingual AI IT cloud support with over 5 years of experience working with technical support, cloud platform, AI tools, and working with the Python and Office 365, where I use Team and OneDrive in the meeting, and I'm looking further in working with you.
That's good. You see that now the ending is good. Did you notice the ending is good?
I'm trying.
Because
Yeah,
now,
she ended very good.
yeah, now you are passing over to them now. Now they know, oh, now we can go. But before, they were not sure. Is she continuing? Is she stopping? They don't know where you are. Oh, who else want to try? So Aria, I want you to try that. And I want you to sound more, don't be stressed. People don't like stressed people. Sound like you're happy, you're excited. You can even start the conversation just saying thank you. Thank you for having me. I'm very excited actually to be here. I've been looking forward to this. So my name is Safari Agaba. I've been working as an AI IT support for the last 7 years. I've worked with so many different technologies. Like I've worked a lot with the AI like ChatGPT. Not only ChatGPT, but I can also design and deploy and train the AI agents because I did a lot of that work at my work. I also helped users from different issues, login issues, file access issues, application login issues, laptop issues. So I was receiving calls, emails, and chatbots from all over the world because we had users all over the world trying to help them every day. And it's all about communication skills. And I love talking to people. Yeah, thank you very much. You see, how do I sound? I've changed everything completely, but I've put my key points out there. I've showed them I'm a cool guy. I enjoy working with people. I communicate much easier, and I'm free. There's no limit on your time. This is the time you're gonna have enough time to talk about yourself. You're not gonna have more time to talk about yourself. So when you're talking about yourself, make sure you give an overview, a synopsis, a summary of everything about you that you want them to hear. Okay, try again.
Hello, my name is Alia Muhoza. I'm a bilingual AI IT cloud support. I have experience of 5 years working with customer support and technical. I'm lost.
Don't allow yourself to get lost. If you get lost, find a way to jump on back and keep riding. Don't show us you lost. Pause. Choke. If you want, you can cough because you are lost. Just buy some time. Don't show everybody that you are failing. You know? Try again. When you get lost, play along. Play the game smart that nobody notices that you got lost. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Try
Hello.
again.
Hello, my name is Alia Muhoza. I'm a bilingual AI IT cloud support. I have experience working, I have more than 5 years experience working in IT cloud support, in IT technical support. But
Don't allow yourself to get lost. Okay.
okay.
Just relax. Okay, another person. Because remember, sooner or later it's gonna come. And
Yeah.
somebody who's gonna be interviewing you is somebody like me online, somebody in Africa, somebody in the USA. So you can't escape this, you can't run away from this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, somebody's try.
Okay. Yeah, my name is Nelson Manzi, and I'm a bilingual IT support. I'm more experienced in helping users in different issues which they are facing, like file accessing, like login, and I'm more experienced in using different tools of project management and Office 365, and more experienced in using the AI. Like I've trained and integrate the AI agent into a website. So I'm really excited about this opportunity. Hope I get it. Thank you.
Good, good. You tricked me somewhere, but I'll buy that one.
Yeah.
You tricked me, but because the ending was so good, I forgot what you tricked me with.
Yes.
So I'm trying to write a script for you here. Are you guys seeing my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So Office 65, what else? So I'm saying my name is XXX. I have 7 years, maybe to make it easy, not to scare anybody. But remember, I said it's 7 years actually, because remember I said 7 years of experience in customer service, and which means you started as a customer service and eventually you ended up to the IT. Now AI. Maybe we should bring AI after, maybe you're right. AI, it's IT cloud and AI support. And okay. So you started before you were a customer service, which had nothing to do with IT. Then you went from IT, then to cloud support, to cloud and AI support, which means you've been gradually improving. This is what we call the career path. The way, the roadmap for your career. Your career keeps going like this. That's what they want to hear. And I think that's what you want to hear for yourself. You don't want to work in the kitchen today, tomorrow you're cleaning, tomorrow you're working in the hospital, the other day you're the teacher. Then you're confusing yourself. You have to specialize in one thing and do it better. And how do you do it? You start from the bottom, you keep going. I started as a cable guy. I worked in the internet cafe. I became a customer service. I became IT, systems admin, infrastructure admin, cloud admin, senior cloud infrastructure admin, and senior cloud infrastructure team lead. So you understand, it becomes so easy when you are moving from one layer to another because you are already in that field. But when you're switching from one field to the other, it becomes too complicated, because the moment you're trying to figure out how to cook this spaghetti and this, because you want to be the chef, oh, the next day somebody's asking you what is IP address. Completely different. So I suggest, for the career advice and the career path, make sure you pick what you want, because at some point it's going to be depressing, it's going to be stressful. So pick what you want. And once you pick it, build along it. And the foundation can always be customer service, because in customer service, you learn communication skills, people skills, team lead skills, all those transferable skills, which are so important. So again, this is very important, because this is where you start. You build a career story by story. It doesn't matter how long you stay on one step, as long as you are building up for a next step. And I had somebody who went through a lot. Angel, she's our Saftech. Most of you have talked to her. I'll be calling her whenever I can, so she can join. She runs her own company. She's doing very good, and she started like you. And I think she was even worse than some of you, like the truth is. But today, I'm proud of her. I'm proud of her that she owns a team of many guys in Uganda, in Rwanda, at Sonatube, the call center, and she runs her own companies in here in Canada. And sincerely speaking, I think you guys, if you've been following her, you can tell she lives a life. And that's what I wish for all of you. The whole point is, work smart, don't work hard. When you work hard, you will never make it. Because even when you make it, you're going to make it when you're too tired. You're going to die without spending your money. So work smart, then you can have some more time to do. And when you're focusing on doing something, always make sure you're building something that would grow from start all the way up. And that's how you gain the skills. And once you focus on skills, don't focus on money. Right now, get the skills. Once you get the skills in your head, getting the money is going to be the easy part. So, Angel, if you are there, please introduce you to the team. She's our Saftech Canada director. She's in charge of those engineering teams. I think she have talked to most of you guys. She handles the engineering team. The contract we get for Saftech Canada to do the engineering jobs, we've migrated more than 100 companies in Canada and USA to the cloud. So she handles that. Then she handles also the call centers, SGS. You all know you're all part of the SGS. She handles those call centers, those employees, they report to her, and she's busy. She also have the cleaning company here. She has different projects she's working on. She'll talk for herself. Angel, if you're on board, please go ahead and tell us who is Angel and how she strives to be where she is right now. Angel, are you there?
No, she's not here.
Oh, she's not there yet. Okay, maybe she texted me that she was joining, so we can continue as she's joining.
I think you are muted. We can't hear you.
Thank you, thank you. So let's wait on Angel to join. Then she can share her 2 cents. Then in the meantime, let's continue doing what we're doing here. So I'm trying to create a script for you guys, which you can read from, because I believe you guys, you are the best crammers from the slavery background. We happen to be so good at cramming things. So we're adding AI. So I've involved the Office 65, Python, basic Python skills. What else? What else do we need to add here? Because we want to sell ourselves so well. AWS cloud
And project management.
and project management. The reason why we put all this together, we want to make sure that you look so good that hiring you for just a customer. Remember, you are in the range of being paid maybe $25 to $50 to $30, maybe to $40. This is how much you should be getting paid for this. Maybe $30 to, let's not be too much. If they give you, if you start, because I want you guys to get in fast. If they give you 25, don't go join any company when you're getting paid under 25. And this job should be giving nearby and it should be working remote. Most of the jobs, they're going to be remote, as long as you have a Canadian and American work permit. If you're in Africa, then we have to work with you in the process of how we can work how you can work from those call centers. So with this, Adi, unmute yourself if you're not speaking. It's very important. Every time you're not saying something, please mute yourself. Otherwise, you're going to end up exposing yourself in a long way, which is going to affect you. The same applies to the camera. Don't put the camera unless you need to, because you're going to end up showing things that you don't want nobody to see. So project management, is everything in there? So let's say I'm going to use this. I'm obsessed with this. So let me say, write a script for me. See. Hello, my name is XXX. I bring over 7 years of experience in customer support, customer service, IT support, and cloud and AI technologies. Throughout my career, I have worked with a wide range of tools and solutions. I'm trying to read, but I'm trying to make sure when you're reading, don't sound like you're reading, okay? At some point, you're going to read. So when you're reading, let me ask this to make, do you think this is too long, too short?
This is
Okay, Adia, read from any of you, read for me. I want to see if it's too long. By being too long, it's when the listeners are getting bored. So if it's interesting, they can listen for an hour. If it's boring, even 1 second is too much. So read, I will see if I want to listen. So this is the best way to cram words. The first thing, you read first without talking. Then the second one, you read with talking, with your mouth open reading. Then the third one, you read again, just talking at the same time, skipping words. Do you understand? The first time, you only read. Don't say anything. Now let's read, all of us. Done? I think this is much easier and match with almost everything. Ready? I'm thinking I would remove this. This is perfect. Aria, can you read for us? Aria, tell us about yourself. Now you can read. Who can read? Who wants to read?
Let me read.
Hmm?
Hi, my name is XXX. I
No,
have
say your
7
name.
years of experience in.
Say your names. Don't say XXX. Say your names.
Yeah, hi, my name is Nelson Manzi. I have 7 years of experience in IT support and customer service, helping users solve technical issues and keeping systems running smoothly. I've worked with tools like Office 365, AWS Cloud, and Basic Python. I've supported users with AI and cloud technologies. I've also helped build and train AI agents, and I enjoy finding smart ways to make tech work better for everyone. I'm comfortable managing projects and working with different teams to get things done. I'm passionate about technology and always eager to learn new skills to support users and improve systems.
Is it too hard? It's too easy. It doesn't have to sound exactly like this, but this is how it should start. And that is a flow, the best flow you can have. Aria, do you want to try? This is for the entry level. For you guys who are entry level, who's going to be going for the IT AI support, which is customer service, but now upgraded. You've been in customer service and now you are going to IT support, but you happen to have cloud and AI skills. So guys, I think this is it for today. Go practice this. Tomorrow, we're going to start from there.